Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Fried Water. Today we are going to see how to make a very quick and easy way of making vegetable fried rice. So let's get started. First, soak the Basmati rice for about 10 minutes. To cook the rice, boil water. Once it comes to boiling, add salt and oil, followed by the soaked basmati rice. Once the rice is about 70% cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Now in a pan, add oil, chop garlic, chop onions, saute for a few seconds. Now add carrot and cabbage, mix them all together. Add capsicum. I am using green and red capsicum. Add green peas and saute them. Add salt to taste, followed by soya sauce. Time to add the cooked rice. Mix it well. Now add pepper powder and spring onion and give it a toss. Our vegetable fried rice is ready to serve. Let's try it. It tastes really good. Our vegetable fried rice came out really super delicious. Try this recipe. Share your valuable comment in the comment box below. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.